Hello, my name is Trey Hill. I'm a rec spec for the Youth Opportunities Office in the Virginia Beach Department of Parks and Recreation. I'm also the lead audio expert here at the Williams Farm Team Media Studio at the Williams Farm Community Recreation Center. Over the next couple of weeks, I'll be bringing you a series of video tutorials that will be designed to take your production and musicianship to the next level. So let's get started, come on. What we're going to be discussing today is how to create your own music from the comfort of your own home without having to utilize or use a lot of expensive music software like Pro Tools or Ableton or Logic. Not that there's anything wrong with them, those are great programs. However, not everyone has the resources or the capabilities to go out and access those programs. What I'm going to do is show you how you can take a step forward into being a creative, if you will, starting your own producing career and just making music without having to rely on those programs. And so the website I'm on right now is called Soundtrap. All you need to access Soundtrap and get an account on Soundtrap is a functional email address. And then once you get everything set up, you're good to go. It's a free account. There are options to upgrade starting at around $7.99. However, really those are just bells and whistles type ordeals. The basic program is very, very comprehensive, is very sufficient. It contains everything you need in order to kind of take those first steps into creating your own music, creating whatever it is that you would like to create, being a producer or creative, anything like that. So this is the dashboard that you will have once you create your account. You have your projects, windows, and folders here. Start a collaboration, which basically means that you can invite someone who is also on Soundtrap to help collaborate, on a song with you. So we're gonna go ahead and enter the studio. And you'll see when it pops up, you get the option of music or podcast. We're gonna do music, obviously, but if you're in the podcast and wanna do more with it, that's something to check out. One of the upgraded accounts offers an option to upload your podcast straight to Spotify, which is very, very convenient if that is what you're into. All right, so here's our NPC. Right here, our little drum machine. And then in order to get started, all you need to do is a click. And so it's just that simple. And if you want a bit more hands-on approach to it, you can just go over where it says instrument and then input manually. Like so. And you don't even need a MIDI keyboard or a piano keyboard. All you can use is just your computer keyboard. This is what these letters and the circles correspond with. So, all just from your computer keyboard. Now, if you don't really have experience creating your own beats from scratch or anything like that, fret not. This little purple music note is here to help. So then it pulls up all the loops and sounds that you have access to, as well as some others once you get a paid subscription. But overall, with the free ones alone, it's about 2,000 sounds, loops, instruments, all that located in here, which is why I say it's very, very expansive and substantial. It's really all you need until you kind of get an idea what you want to do. And then you can just kind of go around sampling different beats and different instruments, That's cool. I'll do that. And as you see, it already comes in a little 8-bar loop, which is very, very convenient. And so now I'm swelling up. And then you see it gives you suggestions or picks that they feel would be good for the project. I myself personally like to kind of pick a genre I feel works with that particular beat. I feel it's more of kind of an R&B vibe, it's a bit slower. And then boom, you have other stuff that you can just kind of do the same thing, audition, and then insert it into your project. I'm just gonna go ahead and click some things, see if they really know what I like. It should be good enough right there. So now let's go ahead and press play, see what we got. You see right now we already have a very competent sounding song, but you know, what we like to do is make it sound, you know, better. You can always make it sound better. And that's where creation and production, that's where the fun of it really lies, is experimentation and trial and error, and just kind of adding your own flair to it. You know, you don't want everything to come in at the same time all the time, because then, you know, it'll sound just like a random wall of sound. There's no intrigue. It's not that interesting. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of move some things around, you know, where I think I want them to come in. And after that, press play. Already it's kind of a bit more interesting. More things you can do. You can come in here and you can split the region, you can cut different things, you can move around notes, you can lengthen them, shorten them, whatever you want to do, you know. And this is control that you get with just the basic package, again, for free. And if you want to come in and create your own lines or add your own little flair, your own little touch to it, you have the option. And again, all you really need, you don't even need a piano keyboard. You can just use your keyboard in your computer, which is very handy. Audition different sounds. And then another handy function is this tells you the tempo, and it also tells you the keys. So for those who are kind of more theory-minded and like to know the keys of things, this is very helpful. And also it's very helpful if you're picking different loops outside of the program. It's helpful to know what key they're in so they don't clash with what it is that you're doing. All right, and then you come here, rename it, you know, my song, whatever, however you feel like it. And there you go. And probably the most important function in this entire thing is the save button, because the worst thing to happen is something happens to the computer, or you have to go somewhere and you close out without saving, and then you lose everything that you've done, right? So that's basically it. Like I said, this is the free account, very basic, but within it you get all of these different sounds, instruments, patches, anything you need to kind of help you along your way. And again, if you feel like you need to upgrade afterwards just to kind of give you the extra bit of inspiration, then feel free. But you can have just enough inspiration right here, enough to get started. So thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. I look forward to bringing more videos like this to you in the future. And until then, take care.
I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Those are just some basic tips, but if you're looking to take your production skills to the next level, feel free to come visit us at Williams Farm Team Media Studio, located at Williams Farm Recreation Center. The center is in Virginia Beach, right across the street from Bayside Middle School. Here at the studio, we provide opportunities to enhance your skill in areas such as audio production, engineering, editing, beat making, as well as photo and video editing. So come on down, check us out. We'll be waiting for you.